लोग देख रहे हैं। पीपुल आर वॉचिंग। पीपुल आर वॉचिंग। तुम शायद सही हो। यू मे बी राइट। यू मे बी राइट। आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? वह तुम्हें बुला रहा है। He is calling you. He is calling you. वह आने ही वाला है। He is about to come. He is about to come. यह सरासर गलत है। It's absolutely wrong. It's absolutely wrong. मैं निकलने ही वाला हूँ। I am about to leave. I am about to leave. इस तरफ आइए। Come this way. Come this way. आज छुट्टी का दिन है। Today is a holiday. Today is a holiday. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? तुम थके हुए लग रहे हो। You look tired. You look tired. मैं तुम्हें लेने आ रहा हूँ। I am coming to pick you up. I am coming to pick you up. मैं पूरा दिन घर पर ही रहूंगा। I will stay at home all day long. I will stay at home all day long. लालची मत बनो। Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. वह एक अच्छा आदमी है। He is a nice person. He is a nice person. इसमें वक्त लगेगा। It will take time. It will take time. यहाँ आकर बैठो। Come and sit here. Come and sit here. वह धोखेबाज है। He is a cheater. He is a cheater. जरा यहाँ आना। Please come here. Please come here. क्या तुम्हें याद है? Do you remember? Do you remember? मैंने तुम्हें बताया था। I told you. I told you. वहां तुरंत जाओ। Go there at once. Go there at once. तुम खुद को समझते क्या हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? कुछ भी तो नहीं। Nothing at all. Nothing at all. समय पर आना। Come on time. Come on time. अभी फोन रखो। Just hang up the phone. Just hang up the phone. यह बहुत महंगा है। It's very costly. It's very costly. कितने अफसोस की बात है। How sad. How sad. मुझे उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता। I don't know anything about him. I don't know anything about him. कुछ न कुछ होने वाला है। Something is about to happen. Something is about to happen. पूरी दुनिया उसे जानती है। The whole world know him. The whole world know him. मुझे कहीं जाना है। I have to go somewhere. I have to go somewhere. क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? क्या खेल रहे हो? What are you playing? What are you playing? मैं वैसा नहीं हूँ। I am not like that. I am not like that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। Nothing like that. Nothing like that. कहाँ से मिला यह तुम्हें? Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? बात साफ है। The matter is clear. The matter is clear. इस मामले में मुझे मत सानो। Don't involve me in this matter. Don't involve me in this matter. एक दिन का समय दो। Give me a day's time. Give me a day's time. क्या आपको अपना वादा याद है? Do you remember your promise? Do you remember your promise? वह अभी भी गुस्से में है। He is still angry. He is still angry. इतना मेरे लिए काफी है। That's enough for me. That's enough for me. वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? मैं यहाँ खासकर आपसे मिलने आया हूँ। I came here especially to meet you. I came here especially to meet you. मुझे रोज हिचकी आती है. I hiccup every day. I hiccup every day. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा छींकें आ रही हैं. I am sneezing a lot. I am sneezing a lot. कुछ नहीं होगा. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. तमाशा मत करो. Don't create a scene. Don't create a scene. मैं अपना परिचय देना भूल गया. I forget introduce myself. I forget introduce myself. मैं तुम्हें अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. I know you very well. I know you very well. देखिए क्या हो रहा है. See what's happening. See what's happening. मैं तुम्हारे घर आऊँगा. I will come to your house. I will come to your house. यह सही नहीं है. That's not right. That's not right. तुम्हारी आवाज़ बहुत मीठी है. Your voice is very sweet. Your voice is very sweet. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. I don't want. I don't want. मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं कहा. I never said that. I never said that. क्या हुआ जरा मुझे बताओ. Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. कुछ नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. क्या अब हम मिलें? क्या अब हम निकलें? Should we leave now? Should we leave now? मैं जाने ही वाला था. I was about to leave. I was about to leave. आपको सच बताना चाहिए. You should tell the truth. You should tell the truth. क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? वह यहाँ काम करता है. He works here. He works here. क्या आपको उसका नाम याद है? Do you remember his name? Do you remember his name? मुझे उसका नाम याद नहीं है. I don't remember his name. I don't remember his name. मैं उसे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करता. I don't like him at all. I don't like him at all. मेरे बाल झड़ रहे हैं. My hair is falling out. My hair is falling out. क्या आपने मुझे बुलाया था? Did you call for me? Did you call for me? हाँ, मैंने तुम्हें बुलाया था. Yes, I had called you. Yes, I had called you. आपको मुझसे कोई काम है? Do you have some work with me? Do you have some work with me? आप इतने गंभीर क्यों हैं? Why do you look so serious? Why do you look so serious? मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. क्या मैं आपके साथ डांस कर सकता हूँ? May I dance with you? May I dance with you? फिलहाल मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है. I don't have time as of now. I don't have time as of now. मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? क्या मैं आपका फ़ोन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? May I use your phone? May I use your phone? अब फिर कब मुलाकात होगी? When will we meet again? When will we meet again? वो अजीब बातें करता है. He talks strange. He talks strange. मुझे ये सब मत बताओ. Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this.